Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for our groups, we have 5 articles that we had review. So we divided by 2 effect for the excellence of students in education. First, the disciplines effect, the excellence of student in education, and attitude effect, the excellence of student in education. For the first article, the impact of positive discipline of students' well-being and academic achievement, a case of international school in Cairo, by Anas El-Kadi and Rasha Sharaf, 2023. For the classroom management and positive discipline is a teaching and parenting model, emphasize effective teaching and respecting child rights. It focuses on reinforcing moral behaviors and decreasing emotional ones without violence. 3 main areas of positive classroom management: instruction, motivation, and discipline. Improving student well-being is crucial for developing social, emotional, and academic competence. The next article is school environmental influence, student disciplines, and learning motivation towards increasing senior high students' achievement, by Pierre Senjaya, Freddie Ong, Fredson Kotamina, Carter Bing, Andika, 2020. So the review draws on various studies that have investigated the relationships between these factors and academic outcomes. The review also emphasized the role of student discipline in academic success. Studies that have found that consistent and fair discipline policies can improve student behavior and academic outcomes. And next, under the attitude effect, the first article in under attitude effect is students' attitude towards natural science. Study on by Dwi Agus Kuniawan, Astalini, Darmaji, and Ririn Melsayanti, 2019. So, studies on student attitudes towards natural science in Muaro Jambi, Indonesia. So this kajian is from Indonesia. Students show positive attitudes towards natural science. Attitude measure through attitude towards scientific investigation, adoption of scientific attitudes, and interest in a science career. And then the next article is integrating technology into education, students' attitudes towards online learning. Okay, the increasing of spread COVID-19 led to a swift shift from traditional to online learning, bringing significant problem and difficulties for students. So the students shows a positive attitude and satisfaction towards online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Negative attitude were attributed to factors such as overwhelming assignment, lack of computer and internet connection, monotony of classes, and students' own inability to comprehend and retain the material being tough. And the last article is attitude towards school and learning and academic achievement of adolescents. This article is to support the argument that positive attitude towards a subject and school are associated with better achievement for students, provide insight into the influence of attitude on achievement and the definition and measurement of academic success. And the last, the studies builds on existing knowledge of the theories and research that have established the relationship between attitudes and behaviors as example of foundation work in these areas. That's all from me. Thank you very much.